All right, welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead and go over these GIGALUMI solar-powered LED path lights, right? So our good friends at GIGALUMI sent these to us, test them out, see what we think, and do a review video. So that's where we're at today. So let's go ahead and unbox these. All right, so now these, they're aluminum coated, right? So this top is plastic, but it's got like some kind of aluminum coating on it. It feels pretty solid. It's definitely glass. They feel pretty heavy. I mean, it's probably because of the glass, right? So it has plastic stakes. Let's see. And it, you know, it's a 4-pack, right? So let's pop these open. All right, so you got the stake, the tube, the light fits real tight on there, right? So that's the whole setup. They feel pretty solid. This is plastic, guys, so I just want you to be aware about that. They look pretty nice. We're gonna go ahead and set these up in the yard, and we're gonna come back at nighttime, because what I do like about these is they actually give like a pattern effect, right? So we charge them all up, we put them in the sun for the day, and we're gonna come back at nighttime. I'm not gonna show you all 4 of them because we already showed you the one. They all look the same, right? So they do like a design pattern on the ground, so we'll definitely check that out. So I'll be back in a couple hours and show you what they look like at nighttime. See you guys in a little bit. All right, yo, so we're back. It's nighttime. We're outside. We got the lights on. As you can see, they make this crazy star pattern, right? So they're actually really fancy, basically. I mean, they look good. I like them. A lot of people don't like the effects that they put on the walkway or whatever. They're definitely bright enough. They light it up. Obviously, the cat likes it, right? You see Jack in the videos, right? And that's about it, guys. These lights are pretty nice. I like them. I'm not gonna have them so close together right here. I just wanted to show you guys, and I'll move them later on, probably in the backyard and along the walkway and stuff. But that's it, guys. I appreciate you guys keep coming back and watching the videos. As always, I hope everybody's staying safe. Hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.